One of our sister firms was already a customer of Automation Anywhere and had very high glowing reviews of how they've been successful in leveraging Automation Anywhere's platform. That with that and with what we did know of other firms, it made the choice very easy for us. What I've seen internally is a wow factor from our leadership and from subject matter experts in the vastness of those capabilities and the art of possible in what we can do with it. Specifically, I remember when we developed a very rudimentary proof of concept with Copilot, just to show the art of possible of Copilot in concert with document automation. And it was very eye-opening for business leaders, stakeholders, subject matter experts to see how versatile it is, how accurate it was, given the use case we were using. That commitment to their customer sticks out first and foremost for me, because they want to see us succeed, because they know without us, the product won't succeed.